Look at those colours. Organic mustard. Luxury student life fame.
Do you actually still have lamb?
Yep.
So whatever you choose. Oh, okay, that's really nice.
Should be a really nice creamy dressing though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll flavour at the moment. Yeah, let's have some taste test.
Are your fingers sore?
Oh, it's really good. You know what? I'm just gonna get my hands in there.
So what have you got in this bag, man? It's just the chicken. Ooh.
Yeah.
Around it as well.
Things you can open.
Yeah, next one.
Box.
Why don't you wait till it's online and you can leave a comment below?
What is that?
It's sick. Holy shit.
Damn!
Well, I can put the potato in.
No, we just... Yum.
Fuck yes, butt action.
Damn.
What's up?
You guys should all like pretend like you're praying.
Yummy. That is the most mental flavoured thing I've ever tasted.